Hey guys, Austin.Fennern here at Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City. Today we're going to take a look at this Jayco 212 QBW. Let's take a look on the inside. First thing you'll notice, 3 steps, nice and low to the ground, easy to go up inside, nice big grab handle. As you come in, you'll notice there's no slide, but the layout of this unit makes it incredibly roomy, which is really nice, and it still gives you plenty of room. You have all your storage all across the top. Some nice big drawers. You work your way back. This is a rear dining unit. It's nice, so with no slide, unit this size, you still have a 4-person dinette and you still have a nice couch, so it gives you plenty of entertaining room. You can have more than 2 people in here and sit comfortably, which is nice. As you come by the fridge, you do have a nice big pantry, super deep. It goes all the way back to the wall, so plenty of room to bring food on your trip. You do have a full-size fridge and freezer here. There you guys get a look there. Perfect. Ducted air conditioning across the ceiling, so you'll get good airflow everywhere, stay nice and cool on a hot day like today, which is nice when you're out camping. Full-size bathroom. You do have a separate shower and toilet with your medicine cabinet, so just lots of room, easy to get in and out. Skylight over the tub, allows lots of light, which is really nice. Nice key feature, walk around bed, so you guys don't have to crawl over the top of each other, which is really nice. So it gives you plenty of room. You can easily fit back here, and then you each have your own separate closet, and there is a rod across the top, which is nice. So you can, hang your nice shirts when you're going to go camping and get dirty. We'll take a look out on the outside now. So as you start by the door, we'll just work our way around. This does have the thermal package, which is nice. So up underneath, it's going to be all enclosed, so all your tanks are up underneath the liner. You do have the nice off-road tires, so that way if you're going hunting down the logging roads, if you go sand camping, it's going to be nice and easy to get out there. You're going to have good clearance. You're not going to catch it on anything, which is really nice. Out here underneath the electric awning, you have a full-length LED light, super bright at night, which is really nice. You got some plug-ins out here if you set your table up, so just a good entertaining space. As you work your way around, easy access to the spare tire. You don't have to crawl underneath, which is super nice. Does come with a nice ladder. You can go up there, check your roof seals, so that way you don't ever run into any issues. Built-in power cord, quick, easy, put back in, 30 amp. Outside shower here, does hot and cold water. Easy to rinse off so you're not outside freezing. And the nice thing is it does come with a black tank flush, which is really handy when you're dumping your tanks after a nice trip. All right guys, well, this is the 212 QBW Jayco. If you have any questions, once again, my name is Austin.Fennern. You can reach me at the link below, or you can give me a call on my cell phone, and my phone number is 541-972-2484. Thank you.